March 10th, 2018, Time Travel Wish Notes. I'm digging at the alien stone. I'm beginning on the west side to go deep. I mean the east side, excuse me. That is the human side. This is where the old pine tree should be. Right here, that I mentioned in the vegetation displacement videos. And when I walked over here in June, from that direction, this is when I saw the strange coincidence to the cliche alien of Earth lore. And it's set up so that I would see it 180 from the footpath right there. So, today, I dug 2 feet underneath, right about to the middle of it, dangerously deep, 35, 36 inches maybe, all the way around to here, nothing. Started this just now, want to finish over that way, may not today. On a hunch, I realized that I had not dug north from the face. And the face looks, by the way, magnetic north. That is magnetic north, right behind the camera. And so I dug this way, where I had not. And I just dug a 32-inch hole right here. Got nothing but this odd stone that looks like a delta. And it was at 30 inches and it was laying right about here. I took pictures of it in place and I thought, strange, it's like an indication to go further. Directional, that's how it was laying. And so I dug further out to here and got nothing. So I'm going to leave this here by the tree. Huh, Tuvok? Tuvok wants to go home. We're hungry. I did not get to the audio testing of the ENC noise. I wanted to send a vibration into the stone using a Bluetooth amplifier, and I did not do that today. That's next, and finishing a good deep dig on the human side. Calling it human side because that's the human personification made with lichen and time control. My videos are so shaky. Okay, James out. March 10th, 2018.